Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to remove OneDrive from Word step by step. If you're tired of seeing OneDrive as a default save location or want to disconnect it from your Microsoft Office applications, follow these easy steps. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open Word or any other Microsoft Office application. Once it's open, click on File in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Account. This will take you to a section where you can manage your Microsoft account settings. Step 2. In the Account section, look for an option that says Manage Settings. Click on it to open the Settings menu. Step 3. Inside the Settings menu, find the section labeled All Connected Experiences. Here you'll see a checkbox that says Turn on All Connected Experiences. Uncheck this box to disable OneDrive and other connected services. Keep in mind, this will also turn off some additional features, so make sure to review what's being disabled before proceeding. Step 4. Once you've unchecked the box, click OK to save the changes. Now, restart Word. Step 5. After restarting, open a document, go to File, and click Save As. You'll notice that OneDrive is no longer listed as a save option. And that's it. You've successfully removed OneDrive from Word. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips.